Where does the name for Gallt Melyd or Gallt Melyd or Meliden come from? So today we're in a nice little village in Denbighshire, just overlooking Rhyl and Tywyn and the Vale of Clwyd. So let's start with the first name. So the earliest records for this area call this town Gallt Melyd. Gallt is a slope which is usually covered in trees, and it's named that because of the slope at the back of the town that leads up onto the Clwydians. Then we have Melyd. Melyd is a person's name, and he's a saint, but not really very much is known about him except that he's associated with this area. Now, Gallt Melyd is a slightly later form of the Welsh name for the town. Gallt, again, is just Allt, but it's been overcorrected. People thought that Allt was Gallt, but with the G dropped because it's a feminine noun. And then they've re-added a G that wasn't originally there. So that also means the slope of St Melyd. And Meliden, is just another version of the name of the saint, St Melyd. So St Melyd is associated with the area. He's usually associated with a giant hill to the south of the village called Craig Fawr, but it's quite likely as well that he founded a church here. Now this church is from the 1200s, but extensively rebuilt in the 1800s. There's not much of the medieval church left. But if we look at the shape of the churchyard, it's kind of circular. That usually indicates a potentially 6th century church. So Gallt Melyd means the wooded slope of St Melyd, and Meliden is just another name for St Melyd. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.